If you do not want the service accounts to have rights in SQL Server, you can use a SQL login in addition to the service account. Let's take a look at how to do this. I'm back working on my laptop with the SQL Backup UI installed, and I want to install the server components on SQL 1 Inst 1. First, I will need to create a SQL login, so I'll switch to SSMS and select View Registered Servers. I'll connect to the instance. I'll expand Security and right-click on Logins and select New Login. I'll type in the name for the account, SQB Agent in this case, and select SQL Server Authentication. I'll type in a password and uncheck Enforce Password Expiration. On the server roles, I'll select sysadmin and click OK to create the login. Note that you must have mixed mode authentication in place to use a SQL login. Back to the SQL Backup UI, I'll click the icon to bring up the installation wizard. I'll click Next. I'm using the same service account, but you could use a different one. A separate service for SQL Backup is set up for each instance, so each one could have a different startup account. Instead of using the service account to connect to SQL Server, I want to use SQL Authentication. I'll just enter the login and password of the account I just added. I'll click Finish and wait for it to install. It's done. Notice that I do not need to activate the license since I already did it when installing the other instance on this server.